work, but I wanted to do a Zoom call because I know that there are quite a few business owners that have gone through quite a bit of financial wins and successes working with us. And when the Redmonds asked, what are some of the couple guys that I've been working with that have seen great financial wins and growth, I had to think about you. Because of us implementing profit first, getting more clear about where all the money's going, and even just having the staff available to earn a month where you're earning over $100,000 in a month is a totally new reality, you know. And so I don't know if you're up for this, but I just kind of like to ask you a couple questions here about just clarifying what like how that difference has been for you from when we started versus now. What have been some of the financial wins or great things you've seen here as a that's been a change in your business?
Well, I would say just having another educated guy like yourself to motivate me, Harley. That's really the biggest thing, not feeling going into this alone anymore. Actually having someone who's more driven and has more tools accessible than what I have. That's probably the biggest thing. You know, I feel like I've had all the, you know, for a long time. I've been in business for 17 years. I've been developing this reputation, and that's all been there. Now you coming in and coaching me and convincing me how to properly move forward. That's been the biggest reality for me, is you having a system and a plan laid out that proves this is going to successfully work, and proof of concept. It is.
Yeah. And so specifically, where just a couple areas, where have you seen that proof of concept happen in your business?
I would say in the form of employment, right? And in the cash flow, the better organization of cash flow, being able to see it in different avenues and areas of where it's going. Here's a reality that came through. We did do our pre CPA appointment.
Okay.
And talking with our CPA, we're up $70,000 from where our quarterly taxes are being paid. Great news, right? But that also means we owe $15,000 in taxes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the reason we did this pre-tax appointment was I knew we were doing well. I didn't want to get caught off guard. The biggest success in hearing someone say you owe $15,000 is profit first. We have it. You know I have it. You know I have it in a tax account. I told you there was too much in there.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact is that that money is allocated in that account. If it was all in one, which is where it was prior to you and I meeting, it was all in one account. That would not have felt good. It would have just felt like it's coming from everywhere, right?
Yeah.
And now having it allocated in that tax account, and there's still going to be that much money left over in the tax account. That feels pretty good.
Feels pretty awesome.
It's not terrible news, right?
Yeah, no, for sure.
So that would be, that's a big win.
Yeah, no, that's a big win. So